Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day. It is a beautiful day here on top of Yonah Mountain, which is in Helen, Georgia. If you have a chance, you gotta hike it. It took me about an hour. Normally most people an hour and a half to 2 hours, so it felt great to really challenge myself. And that's kind of the theme of this video today. And came out here myself, wanted to do some thinking, and been thinking about my YouTube channel and what's happened with my ad revenue and how can I challenge myself to use that to my advantage. And want to just share some thoughts because I'm sure other people are facing the same challenges as I. My ad revenue is at the lowest it's been in years. It's really started declining the last year and a half, 2 years, but really this year it's really started going down. Not really sure what's going to happen here over the next several months, but I know that it's changing with YouTube and what companies are spending, and it seems that the shorts are the way, but the positive is that it's been a great springboard for me for affiliate programs. So I'm making more with one affiliate program than I'm making with YouTube ad revenue and Amazon affiliate income combined, which is amazing. And on top of that, this company, which is my #1 affiliate program currently, has 2,000 affiliates. And I finished #1 last week, #1, and I couldn't believe that. I mean, over some professionals that, promote these products. So you really can use YouTube to springboard yourself to find other affiliate programs and make additional income. So that's what my message is today. If you're struggling, just think about it as a springboard. Find a good affiliate program that you can drive sales for and grow. For me, YouTube has been more effective for me, better success than Instagram and TikTok and other social media. So that's my thoughts. And if you're new with YouTube and looking to get your channel going, this, again, use it as a springboard until that you finally get qualified for their program to get monetized, and then now you can make money on YouTube plus the affiliate programs. So there you go. That is my message of the day. That is Sid's Tips of the day. And if I could be of help, please let me know. But I thought, you know what? It's beautiful, clear my head. And I thought I would share this message with you if you are feeling a little frustrated or down about your YouTube channel. Again, use it to your advantage. And I hope this is of help to you. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next one.